Hello friends, I welcome all you to Research at Profit. Today I just thought of making a 10 days backtest of our research calls which we provide in our website. So every day we used to give calls in our website as you have already seen. So I just thought of making a backtest of a selected stock. Today I have selected cipla futures. That is a January contract, and I am recording this call on 8th of January. And this call, let us check how the call performance was done according to our calculations which we provide every day for intraday traders. So this is a Excel sheet which I have prepared, entering the last 10 days futures call, how it was performance done according to our research calls. So here I have mentioned every day's trades. This was a 26th date trade levels, and 27th, 28th, same way up to 6th. From 26th December to 6th January I have generated calls. So according to that, how many calls got stop loss and how many calls got target, let us check one by one. So this is a cipla future contract, 25th January expiry. So let us check 26th December we had a call in this. Here we got a sell call generated. Let us open chart and make you things make you help to understand the things. So here we had a sell call given at 566.15 paisa. This level I have marked here, 566.15 paisa. Morning somewhere it was opened here, and according to our levels we had a sell call near this levels, 566.15 paisa. You can see this date, 26th December. This was the chart, 26th December cipla futures. So here we generated a sell call in cipla. So you can see 566.15 paisa, 566.15 paisa. This was the line where sell call was generated at 9:30 time. So later that you can see it was continuously came down, and the stop target was given at 553.95 paisa. So this candle low you can see 551. You can see this. Here the target was done. Here sell call was generated, and here the target was done in cipla on 26th. And let us move with the next date. This is a 27th January. So this was the 27th January call. We had a buy call activated in cipla on 27th. Here this was the line at the time of 9 o'clock 30 minutes. Again buy call was activated, and target was 566.20 paisa. This is the red line, 566.20 paisa. Here it was a target hit at just by 20 minutes. The target was done 9:22, 9:50, just half an hour it was done a movement. So again 2-3 times you can see this. After our buy generated here, target done, and again second time it gave a chance at this level. Again you can see this, again a buy call was generated. So again here somewhere target was again done. So this was the call in cipla. That day 27 it gave a 2-time chance to buy and sell the stock. Same way let us move with one more date, that is 28th December. This was the 20th December. Here we got a sell call activated at these levels. Let me check. Sell call was given at 566.95 paisa, 566.95 paisa. Here sell call was generated. You can see this, and after sell call generated, continuously it went up, and stop loss was triggered in this call. 570.15 paisa was the stop loss. So here that was a loss. It was a loss of around 3,250, and the first date on 26th the target was done in sell call. For that MTM was here. I have a same entry I have mentioned here again for to check the MTM calculations. So this is how it was done. And let us move with one more date, 29th. So here stop loss was triggered in cipla on 28th. You can see this 28th sell call was triggered. Here we had a sell call and stop loss was triggered here. Same date again, if you see here, we got one more chance to sell at the time of 2 o'clock 15 minutes. If you see this chart, this is a live chart, 28 of December. Again second time we got an opportunity to sell at this time, and the target was done. So this was the call in cipla for 28th. First stop loss was triggered, and second time when sell call was generated, here you can see continuously came down. Again that time it was not went up, so from there target was done. So this was a call on 28th, and let us move with the 29th date. 29th date we had a sell level here. Here actually this candle high is 569, but that date 29th sell call was given at 569.10 paisa, but here 569 it made high, so this call was not activated at this time 10:35, but at 1 o'clock 40 minutes it was generated 569.40 paisa, it made high. So here this red line I have marked, here sell call was activated and later it was came down. This was a target. You can see this line, sell call target was given at 564.35 paisa. 564.35 paisa. Here the target came in cipla on 29th. So next move with one more date, that is 30th of December. This is a 30th December candle. 30th December candle. Okay. Here again sell call was only activated. As you can see this lower levels it has not come. We had a buy at 567.85 paisa. 567.85 paisa. So the day morning first candle it was created 567.85 paisa. 567.85 paisa. Here morning call it was activated, but we don't consider, we have to leave this first 5 minutes because here we can't take a position. So after 5 minutes only we can consider the positions. So this candle also has not made a low of low, it made 568.10 paisa, and we had buy generated at 567.85. that means here also we missed a buy opportunity, but no problem. Here again you can see this, here we had a sell call 567.35 paisa, this red line here at this moment, this candle 11 o'clock we had it was an opportunity to sell, and then it was a stop loss hit. Suddenly it went up and this was a stop loss given, so here the stop loss was triggered, and later after some time again by 12:25, excuse me, 12:25 sell call was activated again in cipla on 30th December. So this time you can see this stop loss was not triggered. This was the blue line where he had given a stop loss. You can see this candle, here stop loss was triggered, but here this candle stop loss was not triggered when it gave a second time confirmation to sell. So at that time you can see here it was drastically came down, and second time the target was done. This was the target 569.35. 569.35. You can see this here price, you can see as in when I move the cursor 569.35. This candle it made a target. So this was a call for 30th December in cipla futures. So let us move with next date, that is 2nd January. 2nd January 566. 2nd January, this was the 560 here. Morning we had a sell call. Here you can see this candle, here it opened somewhere here these levels, yeah, 570 paisa. Here you can see this 570 paisa sell call was activated here at the time of 1 o'clock. You can see the by 1 o'clock time sell call was activated, and it was continuously came down. Sell call target was 567.70 paisa. 567.70 paisa. Here was a target. Here was a sell call, and here it came down, and our target was done. And again the same day, buy call was also generated, 566.20 paisa. Here you can see this 566.20 paisa buy was generated, and again from this level it was generated at the time of 2 o'clock 5 minutes. From there again our target was 569.20 paisa. As here you can see, here the buy call was activated by 2 o'clock 5 minutes, and continued in just 3-4 candles it went up to, you can see this candle high, 568.85 paisa. Sorry, this candle 569.25 paisa, and our target was, you can see this. I will zoom it. I will just zoom this one. This was the call. Here buy was generated, and here was the target. This candle high you can see 569.25, and our target here you can see, this was the target for buying 569.20 paisa. So that day on 2nd of January, both the side it gave an opportunity to buy and sell. So both the sides target was done in cipla. So let us move with 3rd January. This is the 3rd January call. Morning we got a, let us see what was the opportunity. Yeah, here 570.30 paisa. 570.30 paisa. Early morning we got an opportunity to buy. Here you can see this. We got opportunity to buy at 570.30 paisa. Here buy call was activated, and 575 was a target. That time it didn't go up, and continuously it came down, and here you can see it was a stop loss trigger. This was a candle where stop loss was triggered at 12:55. So this was happened in cipla, and later again this candle you have seen this, the same line, blue line I have drawn here and here, the same date it was a again buy generated at 570, same 570.30 paisa. Here you can see this 570.30 above, again it was a buy generated, and you can see after buy generated it went up to 577.30 paisa, and our target was 575.60 paisa. So this was the call in cipla. One stop loss was triggered, again when buy generated target was done. This was happened in cipla on 3rd. So let us move with the 4th January. This was the 4th January call. Morning there was no buy signal, and there was no buy entry opportunity, and 4th January, yeah, this is the 4th January chart. From here it will start. So 4th January a sell call was activated at 571.50 paisa. Here, yeah, this 571.50 paisa. Morning it opened somewhere here, and it was playing like that, and here this candle done, it has given a breakout. So below this level sell call was activated, and here after sell call activated in this candle 9 o'clock 55 minutes morning, here again it went up, it was reversed, and but the stop loss was, we had a sell call stop loss was given at 573.75 paisa. This blue line I have drawn here, 573.75 paisa, and this candle high you can see 573.45 paisa was the high. That means stop loss didn't hit in cipla, and again you can see this, after that sell call target was given at 568.50 paisa. Here in this candle you can see the low 568.60 paisa it made low, and our target was 568.50 paisa. Very after two candles 568.50 paisa it made a low. Again after some time again it came to 568.20 paisa also. That means it gave a clear target in second entry, I mean first entry itself. Here stop loss was not triggered, no. So sell call generated, it went up, but again it came down, and target was done on this date, 4th January. So let us move with one more date, 5th. This last two dates we have done a last total 10 days I have done a back test. So let us check with one more, that is 5th January. This was the 5th January call. Here this blue line 577.90 paisa buy call was generated, 577.90 paisa. At time of 11 o'clock 40 minutes buy was activated, and target was given at 582.65 paisa, and you can see this after buy generated it didn't came down, and the target was given at 582.65 paisa. Here this candle 583 it made a high, and our target was 580.65 paisa. It has given a clear exit opportunity at 3 o'clock 15 minutes. You can see this. This was the clear direction on cipla, that is on 5th January, and this is the last date of this recording session. As I am recording this on 8th, so this was a last date on 6th of January, Friday. Okay, just a moment. Yeah, here 6th January cipla we buy call was generated at 582.70 paisa. So morning it somewhere it opened gap up, and again we had a buy opportunity at this level. As we missed the we advise not to enter in a gap up open. Just 5 minutes you have to wait for the candle, first candle closing. So whenever the next candle make a movement, there you can take a position. So here it was a call morning. Here we generated a buy signal at 582.70 paisa. At the time of 9 o'clock 45 minutes buy call was generated, but after buy generated continued it came down, and here we had a stop loss of this one 582.70 paisa. 6th January, here 6th January I am showing this candle. 5th January, here buy call was activated and came down, and stop loss was triggered. Stop loss was given at 580.65 paisa. This was the stop loss, 580.65 paisa. Stop loss was triggered, and again buy was second time buy was generated at this one. You can consider because it was a huge volatile. Both side one single candle it made a high and low. Exact it touched the between in buy and trend stop loss. This candle was generated. So here we didn't get an opportunity to buy. So again hit this level. Buy was generated at 1 o'clock 10 minutes. You can see this 1 o'clock 10 minutes buy was generated. So after that you can see buy level was 582.70 paisa. 582.70 paisa buy generated, and again target was 585.50 paisa. This candle high you can see 585.80 paisa was the high. This was the candle high. You can see this target was done, and again that day it gave a it was a huge fluctuation. So again it gave an opportunity to buy at 3 o'clock. You can see this candle low 382.45 paisa, and our buy entry was 582.70 paisa. Again buy was generated here, and immediately very next moment it gave a target also. See here it came down, and again suddenly next candle it went up. Even though we didn't, sometimes it will be very risky to enter at this point of time. Third time, fourth time we can't enter the market, but still you can see how the movement has done in using through our levels. This was the report for last 10 days. As I have considered this, according to this, the MTM which I have calculated, it would be a roughly calculated profit of around 36,240. In total these calls I have clearly done analysis. This was the blue lines. Blue indicates a profit, which was a target done, and red will indicate which all time stop loss was triggered. This was the 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stop loss was triggered out of total calls. So total calls was around 15 calls. In that 15 call, 4 stop loss got triggered and 11 targets were done in cipla. This is how our formula works. We are not saying that every day, every time we will make profit, but using this simple strategies, many times it give a opportunity to buy and sell, and it will be very useful for making you backtest. So this was the call generated in a cipla. Same way other stocks will also perform. So I am trying to upload every day a new stock with 10 days last 10 days data. So let us hope for the best, and let us try to be a successful trader in future. And if you want to subscribe the service where we will be providing you advanced intraday levels before market opens, every day uh, we will upload calculations with in our website. This is a website research@profit.com, and this call I have it is showing you entry at on this is a call generated for 9th of January, that is coming Monday. This will be the levels for F and O as per our formula based calculations. So let us show you how it would be a nifty call on Monday. Monday it would be 8247 above buy, 8248 above buy, and 8287 below it would be a sell. So let us hope according to this, if the chart works, then we can let us see the what will be the result. And I am hoping a very I'm hoping people are getting some idea on our calls. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to subscribe the service. You can become a paid member by just paying 1000 rupees. You can access this data for 1 month. And thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you again on my next video. I'll be going to show how the other stocks performance will be done. So don't forget to subscribe so that you will be getting everyday updates on our research analysis. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye. Take care.